Are you tired of dull, lackluster skin? Do you want to achieve a dewy, youthful, wet-looking glow? Introducing Geology's latest new serum, 100% Pure Hydration. 100% Pure Hydration is the only serum you'll ever need to transform your skin from drab to fab in seconds. Its formula is so hydrating that even your mom can use it. With 100% Pure Hydration, you could say goodbye to crusty skin and hello to baby soft cheeks. Its blend of hydrogen and oxygen will make your skin feel wetter than Cardi B's wet ass pussy.
Look at it now. This stuff works in real time. Complete dry skin. Boom. Pure hydration. I mean, look at that.
100% Pure Hydration is not made of these things. And the list goes on, because Geology only uses 100% water. This serum is so good, you can use it for other things like...
Look, I could use it on my plants. I could use it on my face. Ah, so much hydration. When I go out in public, people are always like, how is your face so moisturized? And I'm always like, Geology's Pure Hydration. You've got to try it.
Don't believe what we're telling you. Just check out these results. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to dry and dull skin and hello to a face that's as soft as a baby's bum. Order your 100% Pure Hydration today.